What's up? I'm Joseph Henry with WHOP. I do have a staffing agency that I've made multi-six figures with, and across all my businesses, I've made multi-millions of dollars. And I'm here with Kyle right now, who actually came to the WHOP office, and he processed his first $2,000 on WHOP with us. So we're going to give him a quick tour of the WHOP office. Then we're going to go up to the roof, and he's going to break down for us real quick exactly how he did it and how you can use WHOP to process thousands of dollars as well. So, yo, appreciate you coming through.
Of course, bro.
There's going to be, yeah, absolutely, bro. There's going to be a sick-ass tour and really dope breakdown. This guy's managing millions of dollars on WHOP.
Kyle, nice to meet you.
That guy's managing. He has like 25% of all of WHOP in his contacts. He just made a post on Twitter the other day. Bro, you can see the views are mad nice.
Yeah, I've never seen a company rise as fast as WHOP's rising, bro. It's everywhere now. It's crazy. I'm getting all my friends on it now, like referring them out, getting money, passive income. It's perfect.
Yo, you heard it here, bro. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the roof. We're gonna show him like how insane the views are and stuff. We're gonna sit down, go on his computer, and just break down like the strategy that he used to get his first deal on WHOP.
Get Gucci on site, yeah. Rollers on ice, yeah. Get first class flights, yeah. You ride it like a bike, yeah. Get a brand new wag, hey. Be quiet, don't brag.
I'm 29. I just turned 29. Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, dude, he came to live with me. We'll show him real quick. Christopher here came to live with me when he was 19. Now, I mean, he's only 20 now, but he lived with me for a month and a half, and then he was just working for me. Yeah. And then after that, he just stayed working for me. Let's pull up on your screen real quick. Let's show the payment. Yeah, dashboard. All right, so bro, yo, you obviously have $2,000 processed here. So, bro, break down for me really quick. How did you get this $2,000 deal, and how did you use WHOP to get it?
So I was running ads to a free course that I had on WHOP. He watched the full free course. Then I have a book a call app on WHOP, which he came in, booked it, and we ended up meeting.
So he booked a call with you, and then on that call, you basically just sold him. How long does it usually take to sell? Like, what's your average sales time?
Yeah, so it really depends on exactly what the client wants. I have some people that close on the first call and some people that go out a couple weeks, even months sometimes. This guy was ready to go. He really needed a video editor, and he was just a little hesitant because he, I guess, didn't have all the money up front. And that's when I started telling him about the Afterpay via WHOP. So we worked out a payment plan to kind of sort that out, and now we ended up delivering for him, and he's super happy.
Okay, so just to break down what he just said, he was running ads to a free course that he had on WHOP, and in his WHOP, he had a free book a call app where people could book a call with him and talk to him about getting a virtual assistant. I guess this guy booked a call with you. He bought your virtual assistant placement for $2,000, and then he used Afterpay on WHOP. Afterpay, which is basically a financing option where people could take like larger payments like $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, and he split it up over the course of 12 months. So he was able to get a VA for $2,000, but he didn't have to pay the $2,000 up front. Is that right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So if we do the math on that, so for a $2,000 package, he paid, it looks like $167 up front, and now he only has to pay $167 a month in order to get access to that virtual assistant with you. Is that right?
Exactly.
Okay, super sick. Wow.
She fill my mind up with ideas.
Damn, bro, so you have like a big list of VAs here.
Yeah, of course. I have thousands of them now, and they're all just organized efficiently through where they are, like executive assistants, appointment setters, cold callers, customer service
Come
reps.
a little closer, yeah.
So this is basically our whole process when a client comes in. So basically on signing a client, we're going to book an onboarding call. We're going to see exactly whatever my client wants to do. We're going to go ahead. We're going to build that all out for them. At the same time, find their perfect virtual assistant inside of my database. Day 3, they're getting an interview with the top like candidates. 3 to 5 assistants here. They're going to get a sheet that looks something like this. And then within 2 days, we're going to start training them on all the SOPs we built out for them, all the trainings. And then on the back end, we have an open calendar wherever they need it. Since churn is so high in the VA industry, I'm sure you're familiar with this being in the industry. And then we track their screens. And these are just all the processes we have in place to ensure a VA works at the highest efficiency possible.
Nice. Yeah, dude, that's a super dial system you got, bro. That's nice. You took what I had and like almost like made it way cleaner and super organized.
Yeah, bro. That's what I love. I love just building shit out like this, bro. And like, I can even show you on the back end with some of my, like, the way this shit's set up. So you're still running your VA management?
Yeah.
Bro, this part you could probably use too. Like, I could definitely set something like that up for you. But this part you're definitely going to use, bro, because this is way more efficient. So are you familiar with like Make and Zapier?
Yeah.
Of course, bro.
Have you heard of N8N?
Nah, what's that?
Bro, if you like Make and Zapier, then you'll really like N8N.
Really?
It's like a little bit more dynamic.
Interesting.
And like includes fucking AI, like aggressively in any way that you want. So like I'll give you just one really quick example.
Yeah.
Let's say I wanted to make a Twitter post every single day. You can use N8N to generate the idea for a tweet, create, like, let's say you wanted to include like ChatGPT photos, like like Ghibli style or Ghibli, whatever the hell it is. You can have them generate a photo, generate the tweet, post it on your behalf, and then like send stuff to your assistant to like go and like, I don't know, boost it or something, or have them comment on it, or literally anything that you could think of that AI is involved that you're manually doing with AI, like going to Claude or something like that. You can automate that whole process. There's this one guy that was using N8N. He got to like 600,000 subscribers on YouTube. Every single video was automatically ideated and created all through N8N. And it was happening like, I think he was posting like, I don't know, 10 videos a day or something crazy. Probably more than that, honestly. Yeah, it's nuts. All right, so obviously we talked about a lot here. Like, aside from what we showed here on camera, you and I chatted a lot about what WHOP can actually do for your business. So I guess like break down for me what your plan is going forward to go from this $2,000 payment that you took on WHOP to now doing over $100,000 on WHOP. Like, what's the plan going forward?
So I definitely plan to continue using WHOP for the payment plans because it just works fantastic. That's $2,000 I wouldn't have been able to close if I didn't have access to WHOP. So that's money in the bank right there. Then I definitely plan to go with the content rewards. So I'm going to put in a budget of like $1,000, have people clip up my content about how to use virtual assistants, spread the word, and then get a bunch more leads in the door.
Nice, dude. That's freaking sick. So tell me, how do you like the WHOP office? How do you like in WHOP? Like, tell me, how's your overall experience been?
I love it. I've obviously been seeing it blow up online. I heard Iman just came in, and that was absolutely huge. But seeing the office and coming out here in person, seeing how hard everyone's working, it's just absolutely incredible. I could tell the mission you guys are on is fantastic, and you guys are only going to keep growing, so I'm just happy to be a part of that.
Hell yeah, bro. Yo, thanks for coming through, bro. Appreciate you, bro. This is sick. So that was a super quick breakdown. Kyle's obviously going to freaking crush it. He's going to do north of 6 figures. I have no doubt about it. If you're wanting to make money with WHOP and you don't have your own offer, or even if you do have your own offer and you want to make passive income by referring people to WHOP, I made a community that now has over 1,000 members that'll teach you exactly how you can build up your referral base of companies that are processing money, get them to process on WHOP, and you'll get a percentage of everything that they process. Click the link down below and I'll teach you exactly how you can do that. I'll see you in the next video.
Okay,
Meetings through outbound, but they weren't good enough.
Word?
Yeah.
Now with the Facebook ads working out?
Yeah, bro. Joseph got me on Facebook ads. I was under the illusion, right? I was booking on outbound, booking meetings, but my close rate was so low, I thought it was a problem with me. But once I started booking with Joseph's ad scripts, all the leads were suddenly qualified, close rate up to 20%. More revenue in the business.
Let's go.